What's up, guys? 2018 Gold Rush Mini Helmet, Random Divisions number 1. We are going live. Timestamp is 326. This is for 2 helmets, guys. 2 helmets. We already have the divisions in and the names in. We randomize both. Where you line up on the spreadsheet, that's what you get. Dice has to be 4 or more. It is an 8. 8 times on the divisions. NFC North up top, NFC West at the bottom. JQMEIG is your code. There's the divisions. Let's do the names. 6. Ralph on top, Ralph on the bottom. UCZOHZ is your code. Or the code, whatever you want to call it. Alright, guys, that is who you have. Why it erases the outline, I don't know. Okay, and we are done. Timestamp is 328. Thanks, guys. Good luck.